Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit street style preset using Lightroom Mobile. Before we start, please subscribe for more free Lightroom presets. Here are examples photos before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Contrast to -15. Highlights to -70. Shadows to +25. Whites to +16. Blacks to +11. Next go to Curve. Follow these steps. And done. Next go to the color panel. Temp to +34. Tint to -8. Vibrance to -15. Saturation to -35. And done. Next go to Effect panel. Grain to 10. Size to 0. Roughness to 0. Next go to Detail panel. Sharpening to 51. Radius to 0.9. Detail to 9. Color noise reduction to 25. Detail to 26. Smoothness to 25. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Follow us on Instagram. And see you in next video.